Uh, Hello, everybody. I suppose most of you may have learned the fact that Java is some kind of a genre of C, but though it is quite true, but there are some exceptions even in the syntax level. So today I'm going to show about kind of a scenario where the same set of logic goes infinitely in Java, but not in C. I suppose one of the main reason for this because Java is kind of had a stack framework, that means a stack architecture, and if you consider about C application, it has register base 1. So let's write it and then discuss what's going on. I say infinite.java, yeah, public class finite, as usual, public static void main string args, right? So this is what has been written. Actually, I have seen this in Stack Overflow. You can check for this issue as well in there. So if I do something like while I is less than 3, and I suppose here I'm doing a kind of nonsensical thing like I equal I plus plus. You know that post increment itself is an assignment operator. There's no need of explicitly assigning it to the I again, but this is how this person has written the code, and he has written system.out.println and print the I. And what happened in here, I suppose you should see for yourself. It takes a little bit of time to compile. I'm not sure why, but anyway, let's wait and let's execute infinite. As the name says, it goes on with the infinite series of zeros. So I'm pressing Ctrl C to stop it, because if you press Ctrl C, it will stop the execution of that particular application. So here the problem occurs due to this, because I suppose it doesn't recognize when to assign this to I, and here it itself talking about assignment. I suppose there's a conflict in it. But if you use the same logic, I have already installed Cygwin for purpose of writing C applications. So I'm going to my Cygwin and going to write a small so let's do the same in here, infinite.c. yes, it's asking. So include stdio.h and int main return 0. Now what I have to do is just copy paste the logic, because the syntax are same in both C and Java, but the standard out is a little bit different, so I have to make that arrangements as well. So I'll come back here. Printf. So let's see, let's compile this. I suppose there's no issue in here, right? GCC infinite C infinite. There's a compilation error. It doesn't recognize the printf. I suppose it is not about the printf, the way I have used the code. So then again, that goes in this bash. I have to open it separately. So what I do here is to use that printf syntax where you have to put higher percentage mark I or D. I suppose it should be D. and do that thing. Right, let's do the compilation again. No, it is asking for a new line. Oh god. So then I'll open it again. Right, added the new line at the bottom. Compile and run. Seems to be C is also making an infinite loop. Actually, I was wrong there. It's also continue on printing set of zeros. I wonder why. I suppose anyway, since my argument on the topic is got invalidated, but I hopefully think that you got something from this video. Sometimes it is better to put a video, do the experiments before publishing the video. But anyway, what matters is this runs infinitely. The proof I was hoping to make is got invalidated. Let's see how this has been happened. So if we check Java P, and this is verbose infinite. So this will decompile and show the byte code of that class. So we can do small investigation on it. So here you can see there's this because in Java, actually in the bytecode level, there's no such thing called while loop. What it does is it do kind of using the goto. That means what it does is there's a if condition, but when it comes to this point, it will ask to go to here, the 2, and if it is matching this condition, it will come to 22. That means return. That is ending the while condition. So this is a basic way of implementing a while condition if you go to assembly as well. So so here you can see we are loading the constant 0 and store it as the first element in the stack, and load it and assign it to a variable, and it is kind of a constant thing, and then load, and here this is incremental operation. So the incremental operation says that it has to be increment by 1 and add it again. So and then it is storing. So here it is about the system.out.println. So these two methods were making the thing. That means before increment, and it keeps the value in the stack to assign to this, and it will do the increment and then again assign this already stored value in the stack to this I. So that is what makes this as an infinite loop, and that's all in this video, and thank you all for watching this video.